there, today we're going to take you through signing up for the Teamtrader program by TradeMum and guide you around the dashboard so you can start earning today. First, you need to register as a Teamtrader account. To do this, you need to go to the trademum.com website and then click on Teamtrader Sign Up /login button. Here it will open a new tab and you can register by filling in your details. Telegram is optional, so just fill out your details and then press next. Then just pop over to your emails and click the verify link that we'll have sent you and you'll be able to log in to Teamtrader. And once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Teamtrader dashboard. As you can see, the domain for Teamtrader is team.trademum.com/dashboard. The one for solo trading is app.trademum.com. The solo trading and the team trading platforms are totally independent and they run on separate systems, and this is why each one of them has a separate referral link. So if you want to refer somebody to your Teamtrader account, you need to be sure to copy your Teamtrader referral link. Teamtrader has one carefully selected trading strategy that is suitable for users and also is optimized for trading with a low balance of $50 up to $5,000. So let's start with the dashboard. The wallet page on Teamtrader shows your Teamtrader transactions. That is deposits, withdrawals, referral income, success fees, etc. You can also deposit funds and withdraw from your earnings from this page. We will also be deducting success fees from this wallet. The profits you generate when trading are in your exchange and not in your Teamtrader wallet. The Teamtrader wallet will have your license fee commissions, profit shares from your trading team, referrals, plus any funds you have deposited. Here you have the deposit button. The minimum deposit is $10 and you can deposit up to $50,000. You just need to enter the amount that you want to deposit. Click continue. And as you can see, there are multiple payment methods, including most major coins, including BTC, ETH, USDC, and many other coins for depositing. This is where you can buy any subscriptions that we have available. For this case, you can find the Teamtrader license subscription in the tariffs page. For you to buy the Teamtrader license from the tariffs page, you'll need to have deposited the $87 required in your wallet. Here you will find all the tutorials that we have about Teamtrader. You can watch them to understand how everything works. This is where you can find your referrals and view the referral tree and how much each one of them has brought you. Your trading team is made up of your referrals. This section is not so important for now as we don't have any bots running on Teamtrader. We have bots on the Solo Trader program that are preloaded with trading strategies and managed by an expert trader. In the copy trading section, you can view the performance of the trading strategy that you have copied. Once you have connected your exchange to your Teamtrader account and connected to our trading strategy, you can track the profits generated and all other important information from the copy trading section. In the strategies section, you can see the trading strategy we have available on the Teamtrader platform. You can view all the historical performance here and choose to connect to that trading strategy from the strategies section. My accounts basically means my exchange accounts. In the My Accounts section, you connect your exchange account to your Teamtrader account. Just click on the Add Account button and connect your Binance Spot account or any of the supported exchanges. Please ensure that the exchange account you connect is the same as the one supported by the trading strategy we have on Teamtrader. For example, for this case, we have a Binance Spot account. You can also connect a Binance sub account to avoid mixing our trades with your other trading activity happening in your main account. Back on the dashboard, we have My Income. My income is different from my balance. My income shows the income you have made from your trading team and referrals. My balance includes all income from referrals plus any funds deposits. The profits that you generate from trading are always in your exchange. Let's say you've connected your Binance account and you are executing trades on your Binance account. This means the trading profits will sit in your Binance account. The deposit button on your dashboard allows you to deposit crypto to your trading wallet to purchase the Teamtrader license and also deposit any success fees. Since we deduct success fees once a week as 30% of the profits we have generated for you that week, always ensure your Teamtrader wallet has enough funds to cover those fees. If you have earned referral income from your trading team, you can also use that to pay for your success fees or even license renewal. In deposits for Teamtrader, we support many coins. Just click on the deposit button to see what coins are accepted. You can withdraw your earnings from referral commissions by clicking the withdraw button. All withdrawals are processed in USD TRC20. The minimum withdrawal amount is $50. This means with just 3 referrals in your team, you can withdraw your earnings. You can make your withdrawal activity any day, anytime. For you to make any withdrawals for security purposes, you need to enable two-factor authentication. To enable two-factor authentication, you'll be directed to the settings page. Make sure that within settings, you're on the security tab and then click Enable 2FA, where you'll be able to set up two-factor authentication. Click on the arrow button to expand the right-hand menu. In the right-hand menu, you can find your referral link, our Telegram channels, and our knowledge base for any FAQs that you might have. Thanks for watching this tutorial for setup and navigating your new Teamtrader account. Happy trading!